Welcome to my Affiliate Mentor 2025 review, where we talk about how you can finally start making money online, build a team that actually grows, and escape the 9 to 5 grind in 2025. If you've been struggling to get signups, duplication, or traction in your affiliate marketing business, trust me, I've been there too. The good news? I found a system that actually works, and I'm breaking it all down today. Stay locked in to the end because I'm revealing exclusive bonuses that will give you more traffic, more leads, and more commissions bonuses that only our team provides. And when you see how our members are ranking on YouTube, Google, and getting signups on autopilot, you're going to want in on this. This is the year to fire your boss and finally create financial freedom. So let's get into it. Now, before I dive into the details, let me introduce myself. My name is John Solly, aka JJ Solly, aka Yo, Friendly Neighborhood Solly Man. I've been in the make money online space for about 12 to 13 years, trying everything: affiliate programs, digital courses, high ticket coaching, SEO, ranking strategies, you name it, I've done it. But it wasn't until recently that I found the mentor that I've always been looking for. And the program. This is the exact system I wish I had years ago, and the mentor and the training that I wish I had years ago, because it's designed for total duplication and real passive income. A few years ago, a few months ago, my wife was in a serious accident about 6 months ago almost. She was hit by a car. The moment changed everything for us. And it made me realize how fragile life is and how important it is to have a financial backup plan. If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure how to grow your income, I get it. I've been there too. That's why I'm breaking everything down today, so you can finally start making real affiliate commissions and quit the 9 to 5 grind in 2025 and start building your list, which is the most important asset you have. So, real quick before I go, anything can happen. Tomorrow's never promised. I'm not saying you're hit by a car, but you could lose your job, or you could, have your car break down. And who really wants to be working until they're 70 or 80, making about 40% of what wasn't enough right now in the first place, right? You want to fire your boss, you want to get or make more money, so you're not having to struggle so much, and so you can help your family and build not just residual and passive income, but build generational wealth for your family as well. Now, let's break down Affiliate Mentor, because this system is designed to help anyone, whether you're just starting or looking to scale fast. Now, the first brand new program is Spark, Affiliate Mentor Spark. It's $25 one time and pays $50 for every 6 positions that are filled. And you can have about 6 different ways to fill it. We have spill under, spill over, etc., etc. And it pays $25 when any team member cycles. So whether that's you or Cheryl Hannah or whoever it might be in my team, when you finish your 6, you get $50. When somebody else on your team finishes, it's $25. And when they finish, they go right back to the beginning of a brand new board. So this creates unlimited potential. And again, it's motivating because I'm trying to get my 6, they're trying to get their 6, and when they do, they move right to the brand new board for us and for them as well. Okay? No monthly fees, just a simple one-time upfront investment where you can make possibly $100 a day, $100 a week, $100 a month. It depends on you and how consistent you are. But we have the right system and we have the right product traffic, and Affiliate Mentor Spark is basically AI 24/7, completely automated. Okay. Now, the next program is Core, which is $50 a month, and it creates residual. It's a residual payment and creates residual income. So for every $50 subscription you sell, you get $20 a month added to your residual income. So if you have 50 people times 20, that's $1,000 a month. So that can add up real quick. And if you don't want to pay the Core $50 a month, once you sign up, you can get into Core Annual, which doesn't give you just 1 year, it gives you 2 years. Now 2 years is 24 payments, right, times 50. That's $1,200. Okay. But we don't charge $1,200. They charge for 2 years $397 more. So you eliminate a $50 a month payment, and you save about $700 or $800. Now that's a real Save Club, okay? And this pays big, unlike Save Club. Core annual $399 pays $200 a sale, and best for long-term success and unlocking high-level strategies. Again, if you get into all of them, the Core, the VIP Club, the Spark, it's about like $700 to $800, and we'll put you in our full rotator and give you all our almost $15,000 in bonuses, but more on that later. All of these levels are built to help you scale fast. I want to talk about VIP Club because it might look really similar. So there's 6 positions, just like the first one, and when you finish, and we help you finish, you get $500. And then there's a 50% check match. So if you are right here and you finish your 6, right? Now I will make $250, you'll make $500, and they'll have a brand new board, and you'll be in this top position. So it pays to help each other. All these levels are built to help you scale fast, but the best part, no matter which level you join, our team provides exclusive bonuses, training, and mentorship that guarantees duplication. So just follow the strategies and we will help you. We will help you train how to rank on YouTube, the daily steps you need that I'm using every single day, and everybody's doing these steps are ranking every single video on pretty much the first page of YouTube, and some are even going on Google. And unlike Facebook or Instagram, this is a lifetime worth of traffic. You'll continue to get views for a lifetime. So let's go see our YouTube videos and see that this isn't just hyperbole and just me blowing smoke up your ass, right? All right. So these are the YouTube rankings and team bonuses. We're going to start with YouTube first. Let's talk about ranking on YouTube because that's what truly sets our team apart. Take a look at how our team members are ranking high for Affiliate Mentor 2020, Best Team Bonuses, all the terms, right? I'm going to show you right now, Affiliate Mentor. And as you can see, this is incognito, so I'm not signed in. So this is real world ranking. And so that's a guy that just started about 2 or 3 days ago. He's already got 77 views on his shorts, right? There's Make Money Online with JJ, okay? There's Business and Marketing with Fanchone, another team member. So was the one I showed you right here. Affiliate Mentor 2025, that's me. Postcard Lifestyle. Making Money Online with JJ, that's me. Charles N. Dukes, that's another team member. These sponsor videos don't count. Postcard Lifestyle. So you see what I'm saying? And there's another one by me. And there's another one by Postcard Lifestyle and another one by me. And there is a Michael De La Cruz video. And another one by me. And another one by me. Do you see what I mean? So that's Affiliate Mentor. Just Affiliate Mentor. But I'm going to go to Affiliate Mentor Review. So you see what I'm talking about. And I do different ones every day. So this Postcard Lifestyle playlist. Postcard Lifestyle, Micah De La Cruz. There's the video I told you about 2 days ago. This guy just started and is already ranking with 1 or 2 videos. Charles N. Dukes. Make Money Online with JJ, that's me. Mr. Orange Dream, that's another team member. Charles N. Dukes again. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Business and Marketing with Fanchone. Do you see what I'm talking about? We are ranking day in and day out. I'm going to show you how we do it. This is our team training site, which comes with any package, okay? And the first step is to schedule a coaching call with our team leader. So we send you a site, and you go to the site and you schedule a call where they set up your system, okay? No matter what level you're in, getting where you fit in, we're going to give you this. And this is what I do every single day, these steps, that every step has a video and you can get help live. We will help you. Now, the guy that I told you, Brian, he meets live with Justin every single day. and makes his video. And I've been ranking every single video with these steps. We have a more important, a different. See, this one is way more detailed and will actually earn you income. But I'm not even using that. I'm just using these steps and these keywords. We tell you exactly what terms to rank for, what descriptions to use, what your hashtags are. Exactly cut and paste. Simple, but very, 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 very powerful. And it works with any system. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. This is what our training teaches: how to rank, how to get traffic, how to build a profitable audience, and how to duplicate your success. And speaking of duplication, let's talk about our bonuses. Because when you join our team, you get done for you system that guarantees lead, traffic, and signups and sales. Okay? Before I go to that, if you are sending your people to a company page like this long and diluted, you're doing yourself a disservice. You're not branding yourself. You're not standing out. So I'll be right. Oh, bonus number 1, Team Traffic Rotator, $9,997 value. Get done for you traffic sent to your affiliate link. This page is flooded with solo ads, so we have a ton of traffic for you. Remember, the sooner you get started, the less links in the rotator, which means more sales for you. Remember when I told you I make $200 with affiliate, the yearly subscription with the core annual, and $20 with the core? I'll take that $220, like right here, and I will buy traffic for $220 for you and me and anybody else that's in the team. The faster you get in, the more lead traffic and sales and signups and building your list you'll do. Bonus 2, Team Solly's training site. The Freedom Warriors Academy, designed by JT. This is the only training you'll need. It's the only training I'm using to build your online business. We're going to give you as a free gift so you know exactly how to build your online business fast. Bonus 3, which is that $19.97 value, direct coaching from me. The amazing part of this is that our team leaders will coach you and your team's team. You simply need to follow the step-by-step instructions, and our team leader will coach your downline to duplicate. Okay? Total team value bonus, $14,991. Okay? And this is what I was meaning when I told you you're not doing yourself a disservice if you're sending them a long link. This is what mine looks like. And these are, I'll show you, our testimonials from 3 different people before my video even starts. Okay? And it tells my name, my number, and my domain email address, john@johnsally.com, and the bonuses, which you can also give away. Not only will we put you in our rotator, we'll build you a rotator as well. Amazing, right? Now, everyone on our team gets access to our YouTube ranking secrets, SEO strategies, and private mentorship. No matter which level you start at, that's why our team has the best training, the best bonuses, the best results in the industry. We are the best team and the team you want to join, and we will help you in any system. This will help you. The traffic in Affiliate Mentor, that's what our product is, traffic. They are traffic gurus, and we will help you get leads, signups, and even sales, and train you. And we will train your people and your people's people. You're going to create you a clone army, okay? If you're ready to quit your job, retire in 2025, and start making real money online, now is the time. Text me at 775-460-7938 right here, or click the first link in the description and the YouTube description to get started today. Like, share, and subscribe for more affiliate marketing strategies. Comment below what excites you most about this opportunity. This is Affiliate Mentor 2025, and yes, you could turn a one-time $25 investment into $500 daily with the right system and our team's proven success strategies. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka yo friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay, get what Jay did today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.